It's an amazing spring day up in the high country of Arizona. What a blessing to be up in the pines, up on the Mogollon Rim in northeastern Arizona. Let's take a little visit to Willow Springs Lake. Willow Springs Lake is on the north side of Arizona 260. So we're going to turn off of Arizona 260 onto Forest Road 149. Unlike most forest roads in this area, Forest Road 149 is paved all the way to the lake. Here's the entrance to Sinkhole Campground on our left. We'll explore this little campground in another video. To our left is the trailhead for Willow Springs Lake Loop. This is a 6.2 mile hiking trail. Of all the lakes up on the Mogollon Rim, and I think there's maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 lakes, Willow Springs is my personal favorite. This lake is easy to access, as is Woods Canyon Lake. Some of the other lakes up on the Mogollon Rim you have to actually hike down to. Willow Springs is just a peaceful place, especially on the weekdays and in the off seasons, like early May, late August, September, October. We're going to turn here and park at the day use area. Let's get out, stretch our legs, and walk down to the water's edge. Parking here is pretty adequate. And as an added bonus, there is no fee to use the day use area or to launch your boat or fish from the shoreline. However, Arizona state fishing licenses are required for anyone 10 years and older. All right, here we go. Picnic ground. Pack it in, pack it out. Restrooms. Come on, Blue. Come on, you gotta keep going. Blue has to check every little spot.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the lake looks really full. They have a lot of tables here and grills. Did she lock the truck? We couldn't find a discernible trail or pathway leading from the parking lot of Thru the day use area down to the lake shore, so we just kind of wandered around. The lake was created in 1966 by the Arizona Game and Fish Department as a trout fishing lake. The elevation here is about 7,600 feet, and the surface area of the lake is 150 acres. It is stocked with trout regularly from spring through fall. Motorboats are permitted on the lake, but your motor has to be 10 horsepower or less. There's no fee for using this area either. Totally free. You kind of watch where you're going because it is pretty rocky here. Is this a little pathway over here? This kind of looks like a pathway. let's see what this looks like. Picnic table over there. And got a picnic table here and a grill. And a big old fire pit. And here you're down to the shore. So many pine trees to provide plenty of shade. But this area is a little bit rugged with lots of rock outcroppings and big, chunky, jagged rocks. So you probably wouldn't be able to use a wagon or a cart to haul your picnic stuff down closer to the shore. You'd probably be having to carry it over these jagged, rocky areas. Big stone platform here. Oh, we've got rock art. Oh, look at that. Somebody took a little time with that one. It's very breezy here, but beautiful. A lot of people fishing this morning. And there's a little ramada up there. Beautiful picnic spot.
Looks full.
It does. It looks really full. It's nice. After seeing Black Canyon Lake be dead, it's nice to see this one still alive. We have plenty of parking. Plenty of parking spaces. And plenty of picnic tables. There's just this one vault toilet building for the day use area. Again, parking is adequate, especially during the week and in the off season. We've come by here on the weekend and it is pretty packed, especially May through August. And they do have some overflow parking. Here's a look at the day use area. As we drive by, we're going to head over to the boat ramp. We'll drive over to the boat launch area now. See what's going on over there. Oh, there's a few people here.
There's some parking up front, and then down further you can park with your boat trailer. Yeah, it is pretty busy for a Tuesday, huh?
Yeah. It's starting to come up during the week.
Oh yeah. They do not have any dumpsters here, so whatever trash you create, you have to take it out and dispose of it elsewhere, at your campground or at home. You can get a good look at the lake from this vantage point. Willow Springs is a long, narrow lake, not very wide. Across the lake is Sardine Point. We'll be visiting that area in another video, so be sure to check that one out also. At the boat launch area, you have a small dock and a boat launch, as well as a little path leading out to some picnic tables. There are vault toilets, and there are some spaces where you can park your vehicle with your boat trailer as well. Hope you enjoyed our little drive through Willow Springs Recreation Area. We'll be posting a couple other videos about this area, one on the Sinkhole Campground and one on Sardine Point. Please check those out. Again, as always, thanks for watching. And remember, wherever you go, whatever you do, please leave that place better than the way you found it. Bye for now. See you in the next video.